Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to design a professional PowerPoint presentation slide using some creative tricks. Let's get started. First, go to View tab, click on Grid Line. Now, go to Insert, click on Shape and select Rectangle. Draw it on the slide. Here the fun part, make 3 duplicates of the shape and reduce the size of the bottom side. Now select each one and duplicate these 3 again. Select all rectangle. Then go to Format tab. Select Align Middle from Align. Click on Merge Shape and choose Union. Next, go to Insert. Click on Picture and choose a beautiful sunrise image from your computer. Position the image to cover the entire slide. Then select Send to Back. Select both the image and the rectangle. Then go to the Format tab. Click on Merge Shape and select Intersect to create a unique composition that includes the sunrise. Right click, select Format Picture. Go to Shadow, select Auto Shadow from Preset and adjust the transparency slightly if needed. Click on the picture or texture fill and select this texture. Now click on slideshow. And there you have it, a sunrise professional PowerPoint presentation slide created. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Aksharika tutorials. Let me know in the comments what other PowerPoint tricks you would like to learn. See you in the next video. Thank you.